Hello, welcome back. আজি পিছো মানুকে নতুন ভিডিওতে আৰু ওয়েলকাম কৰি আছে। আজিতো আমি অলপ একোবি নাই হলেবি আজিলা sangtam তাইবৰা ময়ন sangtam for father লা এটো স্পেচ দিয়ালা আমি হান সব মানুহ মিলিয়ান চাবলৈ আছে। এটো কাৰণে ভিডিওতে স্কিপ নকৰি দিবি লাষ্ট তক চাই দিবি কই না সব মানুহে কৈ দি আছে দে আৰু তাই স্পেচ দিয়ালা তো আমি হান সব মানুহ মিলিয়ান চাই লব দে।
Hello, my name is Azila L from Saramati View Modern School, Kifri, Nagaland. The story which I am going to narrate now is Momola, a sangtam Naga folklore. Once there was a man who used to catch many fishes whenever he went to the river for fishing. As he was grateful to the river for her generosity, he promised to offer his daughter Momola to the river. After a few days of the promise, there was a torrential rain. As a result, slowly and steadily, all the rivers, coves, and mountains were filled with water by producing a sound, moo, moo, moo. But humans and animals were terrified. They all climbed up onto the mountain Yako for their safety. Likewise, whenever the flood came, all the animals and humans would climb up onto the mountain and gather on the mountain Yako. The presence of animals had caused nuisance to the people, so they conceived an evil design. When the flood subsided, we shall kill all the animals and consume their flesh. What he thought, they had all the animals with ropes against the trees on the mountain Yaku. But the fisherman was thinking in a different way. He thought, this happened because of my false promise to the river god, because I could not offer my daughter Momola to eat. So the river got angry and sent flood upon the earth. In this way, the fisherman was only thinking about his guilt. He could not bear his guilt any farther, though he loved his daughter so much. So, at last, he had no other option but to offer his daughter Momola to the river god. After the fisherman had offered his daughter to the river god, the volume of the water had decreased and hence the flood subsided. When the flood subsided, the fishes were found bounty in blades, hollow stones, and bamboo vessels. At the same time, all the animals that were tied with ropes broke off the ropes and ran away, except an animal which an orphan had tied with a rope called sea. Because of this, the sangtams considered this as an extraordinary rope. So till today, the trappers use this rope in trapping animals. After some years, Momola came back to the village to meet her father with her baby. While she was busy in the kitchen, she wrapped her baby and kept the baby on the bed. After some time, when she came out from the kitchen, she could not find her baby. So she became worried and asked her younger brothers and sisters about her baby. But they say, we did not see your baby, but we saw a fish on the bed, which we had roasted and had already eaten. Still, she became worried. She realized that her baby was eaten by her brothers and sisters. So she said, how can I meet my husband since my baby is lost? When she was thinking, meditatively an idea struck her mind. She asked her brothers and sisters to gather their saliva on her palm. So they did the same. Out of the saliva, she produced another fish called kutsengu, name of a small fish found in a small streams, which looked exactly like her baby. After that, she carried it back to the river. Henceforth, it is believed that whenever a baby is sick, it is feared that some of the family members might have hurt the feelings of the mother's father, thus causing sickness to the child. In order to heal the baby, they need to obtain a new blessing from the father-in-law. In order to get back the father-in-law's blessing, the sick child must be brought to the father-in-law and plead for his forgiveness. The father-in-law would then bring kutsengu or hutsengu fish from the river. After roasting it, it would be given to the sick baby in the form of giving a new blessing so that the baby may be healed. Due to this incident, the sangtams believe that one should never do anything against the wishes of the father-in-law. Thank you.